Today, let's talk about Agric for Profit's Orange Oil Insecticide. This insecticide is made from the oil found in orange peels. The key ingredient is d-limonene, a natural compound in orange zest. D-limonene is effective at controlling pests. You spray it directly on your plants to manage insects. The oil is extracted from orange peels after juicing. This process uses fruit byproducts, reducing waste. It's a sustainable and eco-friendly pest control option. Orange oil insecticide is safe for use on vegetables and flowers. It avoids harsh chemicals and supports natural gardening. Orange oil insecticide turns waste into a useful garden product. It helps maintain healthy plants without synthetic pesticides. Use Agric for Profit's Orange Oil Insecticide for a safer, greener garden. Here's how to use Agric for Profit's Orange Oil Insecticide. Dilute the concentrate before use. Mix 30 milliliters of orange oil concentrate with 4 liters of water. That's 2 tablespoons per gallon. Check the label for exact instructions. Pour the mixture into a garden spray. Spray plants with a fine mist for even coverage. Spray early morning or late afternoon, not in midday sun. This prevents leaf scorch and allows the solution to work. Cover all plant surfaces, including leaf undersides and stems. Pests hide under leaves and at stem joints. Spray methodically from top to bottom. Ensure a complete coating. For infestations, spray every 5 to 7 days until pests are gone. For prevention, spray lightly every 2 weeks during the growing season. Inspect plants regularly and reapply if you see new pest activity. Repeat as needed to protect your plants. Orange oil insecticide kills common garden pests like aphids, mealybugs, spider mites and whiteflies on contact. It acts fast, so you see results quickly. The d-limonene in orange oil destroys the protective coating of soft-bodied insects, causing them to dehydrate and die. It works on a wide range of pests. You get healthier plants fast. It's effective against multiple pest problems. Orange oil insecticide is non-toxic to people, pets, and pollinators when used as directed. You can safely harvest vegetables the same day after rinsing. Pets can safely be in treated areas. It has minimal impact on beneficial insects if sprayed when they're less active. It supports responsible gardening. Orange oil also fights fungal diseases like powdery mildew and black spot. It disrupts fungus cell walls and stops disease spread. Plants recover faster from disease. One product treats both pests and diseases. It protects plants from damage and disease. It simplifies your gardening routine. Orange oil is eco-friendly and biodegradable. It doesn't pollute soil or water. Unlike chemical pesticides, it breaks down quickly and safely. It helps maintain a balanced garden ecosystem. Using orange oil insecticide supports a healthier, more sustainable garden. Agric for Profits. Orange oil insecticide controls pests without harming your plants or the environment. It is safe for your garden's soil and supports healthy plant growth. Use as directed. Follow dilution instructions to avoid harming plants. Do not increase concentration. The recommended amount is effective and safe. Overuse can damage plants and disrupt the garden ecosystem. When used properly, orange oil insecticide keeps plants healthy and pest-free. Its gentle formula protects beneficial insects and soil life. It does not harm pollinators like bees, butterflies, or earthworms when used at the right times. Spray early in the morning or late in the evening to avoid contact with pollinators. This timing keeps pollinators safe. Bees and butterflies are not exposed when they are in their hives or resting. Orange oil insecticide supports a balanced garden ecosystem. It helps maintain biodiversity and a healthy environment. Store the product in a cool, dark place, away from children and pets. Mix only what you need to prevent waste. Clean up after use to keep your garden safe. Orange oil insecticide is a safe, eco-friendly choice for your garden and the planet. Ready to protect your garden from pests? Here's what to do next. Use orange oil insecticide for a natural, effective solution. Visit the Agric for Profits marketplace online to learn more and order your bottle. Add orange oil insecticide to your cart and place your order securely. Your product will be delivered to your door, ready for use. Apply as directed to start protecting your plants immediately. Take this step for a healthier, pest-free garden. Start now and see the results in your garden.